back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this full face makeup look right here, and I wanted to base the look around my new glasses. As you can see, I got some new frames. I always get my glasses from Firmo.com. If you don't already know, I will have like the ones I'm wearing linked down below in case you want to pick up one of these frames. But right now they have something really cool going on. If you're a new customer, you'll get your frames for only $4.95, which is super affordable. So I'll have all that in the description. But yeah, basically I wanted to base a look around these glasses. They're kind of that Harry Potter kind of vibe. They always have really cool frames on there, kind of, I call them like Instagram glasses because a lot of their stuff on there is really trendy and great for pictures. And so yeah, I ended up coming up with this look. On the eyes, I used my NATSHA DENONA Sunset palette, but I actually did something very different on the eyes. I tried not to do like a sunset look, even though that's basically what the palette's for. I stuck with more of the cool tone colors, and I really like the way it turned out. It's something different. If you have this palette, it kind of gets repetitive, and so I really wanted to do something smoky and different and more cool toned, so I came up with this eye look. And then also for the lips, I used this dark brown because I knew I wanted to do a bold lip with my new glasses, and I didn't want to do like your basic red or anything, so I went with this dark brown. And yeah, I really like the way this look turned out. If you guys want to see how to get this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, starting off with the eyes, today we're taking some tape. We're going to apply that to the outer corner of the eye just to give us that sharp edge. Then taking my eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Eden, I'm going to apply that all over the lid. And then I'm just going to be blending that out with a flat brush. And then we're also going to go ahead and set it in place with a skin tone eyeshadow. So like I said in the beginning, we're using the NATSHA DENONA Sunset palette, and I'm taking this pinky shade and we're going to be using this as the transition shade. So into the crease and above it with a big fluffy brush. But not today, just okay, now taking the darkest brown in the palette, it's more of a cool tone brown on a 217 brush. I'm going to pack this on the outer corner of my eye and also bring it into the crease. Now this shade is the hardest shade to blend in this eyeshadow palette, but it's really beautiful, so I still like to use it. It takes some time to blend, so if you are using the same palette as me, just go ahead and take your time with it. But you can use any eyeshadows of your choice. You don't have to use the same palette I'm using, of course. Now right here I decided to switch brushes. This is just a more fluffy brush, and I'm just packing that same color on the outer corner, trying to build up the intensity a little bit. And then I'm just going back in with that transition shade and just blending everything out. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my flat brush with some Fix Plus from MAC, and then I'm going to take this shimmery bronze shade in the palette and I'm going to pack this all over the lid up to that dark brown shade. We found a way into the crease again. And then I'm just touching up that dark brown with a fluffy brush before we go in with eyeliner. Then for eyeliner today, I'm taking my tattoo liner in the shade Trooper from Kat Von D, and I'm just going to go ahead and do my usual wing. And it really helps us out that that tape is there because the wing usually turns out way better with tape. And then I'm just going to go ahead and remove that tape after I'm done to see the final product. And as you can see right here, it looks so straight and nice. I love the feeling of taking that tape off. And then I'm just taking some dark brown and connecting it to the wing so everything looks seamless. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to be priming my face using my BECCA Backlight priming filter just to give us a nice glow. Then taking my NARS Soft Matte Concealer, I'm going to place this on top of those veins under my eyes. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in with a Sephora brush. And for foundation today, I'm going to be using my DIOR Airflash Spray Foundation, and I'm going to be blending that in with this Tarte foundation brush. I'm trying to get back into brushes just because I have so many foundation brushes and I'm always just using my sponges, and so I feel like they're going to waste. So I'm just using a brush today, and also I haven't used this foundation in a while, so I decided to bust it out before it goes bad because it's super expensive and I want to use it. But I really like the way it turned out. It gave me a really nice flawless finish. And then I'm going to be contouring my face using my ColourPop contour stick in the shade Dove. And right here it does look a little light, I'm not going to lie. But once I blend it in, it's fine. And I'm also going to contour my nose with this as well. And this just helps me to where I don't really have to use powder to contour it. And it just makes it look a little bit more natural. And then to go ahead and highlight the center of my face, and taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand. And then I'm just going to go ahead and buff everything into the skin. To go ahead and set my under eye concealer, I'm using my RCMA No color powder per usual. And when I'm setting my under eye, I'm trying to avoid the place where I'm going to highlight, so I'm keeping it straight under the eyes. And also when I bake as well, I'm going to try to avoid the highlighting area, and I'm just baking with my Too Faced Ethereal setting powder, mainly in the center of my face where I have the largest pores. I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now. Now moving on to the lower lash line, I'm taking that same dark brown we've been using, and I'm going to apply this all over the lower lash line. Then taking that pinky transition shade, we're going to use that to go ahead and buff out that brown. And then we're just going to touch up the brown one last time, and you're pretty much done with the lower lash line. Then I'm going to go ahead and buff away that bake using my MAC setting powder, avoiding the highlighting area. I just feel like it helps the highlight pop later on if I don't put any powder right there. And to go ahead and contour my cheekbones, I'm taking my NARS Laguna per usual. For highlight today, I'm taking Estee Lauder's Heat Wave highlight, and I'm just going to apply that to the top of my cheekbones and also the center of my face. And for blush today, I'm using MAC's Lovejoy blush, a nice bronzy blush, just because I didn't bronze today, so I wanted to use something more bronzy for blush. And I'm just applying that to my cheeks and the tip of my nose. Then to set that all in place, I'm using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Now moving back onto the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and apply mascara. This is the SMASHBOX X Rated mascara to the top and lower lashes. Now for that inner corner pop, I'm taking MAC Nylon, and I'm also going to be applying this under the brow as well. So that is everything for the eyes, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop on my glasses and do my lips. I'm lining them with MAC Strip Down Liner. Then for lipstick, I'm taking the color Limbo from ColourPop, and I'm just going to apply this all over. So this is your finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I love doing these kinds of videos because it makes me feel more confident in my glasses. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. See you later. Bye.